हाय फ्रेंड्स, माझं नाव शेल्डन रेगो आहे. सर्फसेट फिटनेस स्टुडिओमध्ये तुमचं स्वागत आहे. हा एक नवीन कॉन्सेप्ट आहे, नवीन फॉर्म आहे वर्कआउटचा. इंट्रोड्यूस केला होता US मध्ये, आता इंडियामध्ये पहिल्यांदा इंट्रोड्यूस केला आहे. तर हा आपला कोअरवर टार्गेट करतो. हा एक सर्फबोर्ड आहे, त्यावर आपल्याला बॅलन्स मी तुम्हाला शिकवणार आज. बॅलन्सच्या नंतर आम्ही तुम्हाला वेगळे वर्कआउट्स देणार. तर हा कॉन्सेप्ट आता इंडियामध्ये, भारतामध्ये पहिल्यांदा इंट्रोड्यूस केला आहे आणि आता 160 सिटीजमध्ये आहे पूर्ण वर्ल्डमध्ये, आणि इंडियाचा हा फर्स्ट स्टुडिओ आहे. तर यामध्ये मी तुम्हाला वर्कआउट शिकवणार. माझ्यासोबत आहे अलिशा मिस्त्री, जो तुम्हाला वर्कआउट पण दाखवणार. यानंतर आपण स्टार्ट करूया वॉर्मअप सिक्वेन्समध्ये. तर या एंटायर सिक्वेन्समध्ये 5 भाग आहेत. पहिल्यांदा असणार वॉर्मअप सिक्वेन्स, त्यानंतर स्टँडिंग अप सिक्वेन्स, त्यानंतर कार्डिओ, कोर, नंतर फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी आणि कूलडाऊन. यानंतर आपण वॉर्मअपचा सुरुवात करूया. तर वॉर्मअपचा आज आपला टार्गेट आहे फक्त आपला बॅलन्स करायचा बोर्डवर. त्यानंतर एक्सरसाइजचा आपण स्लोली एक्सरसाइज करूया, पण आपलं मेन टार्गेट आहे की आपण बोर्डवर बॅलन्स आपलं बरोबर असायचं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ द वॉर्मअप सिक्वेन्स. तर आपला हात हँडपॅडमध्ये ठेवायचं, पाय मागे. तर राईट लेग खाली घ्यायचं, लेफ्ट लेग खाली घ्यायचा, परत राईट लेग वर, लेफ्ट लेग वर. तर हा स्लोली मुवमेंट चालू करणार. नंतर आपण स्लोली पेस इन्क्रीज करणार आणि हार्ट रेट इन्क्रीज करणार. 30 सेकंडसाठी हे पहिला एक्सरसाइज आहे वॉर्मअप सिक्वेन्सचा. वॉर्मअप सिक्वेन्समध्ये पहिला एक्सरसाइज होता, यामध्ये आपण आपला हार्ट रेट इन्क्रीज करतात. यानंतर नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज, आपलं पाय वर ठेवायचा आणि फक्त ट्विस्ट करायचा. And this you're going to feel a slight crunch in the obliques as you twist. Each time you twist, you just got to breathe out. So you're targeting your core and your obliques. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, आपलं next exercise आहे, मी दाखवणार पहिला. तर आपण plank position मध्ये असणार. After this, you just hop down, take your arms up, and hop back into plank. So we're going to do this exercise for the next 30 seconds continuously. Let's go in 3, 2, and 1. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. तर आपला नेक्स्ट जो एक्सरसाइज आहे, आपला 4th एक्सरसाइज, तो थोड़ा सर्फ इंस्पायर्ड आहे. तर वी आर गोना वर्क ऑन आवर आर्म्स राइट नाउ. आपला हातवर आपण वर्क करणार आहे. सो ऑल वी हैव टू डू इज वी जस्ट टेकिंग आवर आर्म्स अप, यू आर पैडलिंग एंड कमिंग बैक अप. So when we do this exercise, we're going to make sure we tighten those arms. We're going to imagine like we are in the water. It takes a lot of energy to push the water out. So we're just going to tighten our arms and paddle for the next 30 seconds, working on our shoulders and our triceps. All right, let's go in 3, 2, and 1. Keep breathing, keep smiling. Last 10 seconds to go. All right, slowly increase the pace. Go on the double. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, yanantar ek chota sa stretch hai. The 5th exercise, we're going to move into a slight stretch. So getting your toes on the board. You're going to bend backward. You're going to hold your heels. Push your waist out and look up. यामध्ये आपण स्ट्रेच करतो आपला पाय, आपला कोर. And keep breathing. Alright, आपला लास्ट एक्सरसाइज आहे वॉर्मअप सिक्वेन्स मध्ये. मी जस्ट दाखवणार तुम्हाला. It's called the plank, downward dog stretch, and the upward dog stretch. हा 3 मूवमेंट आहे, आपण कंटिन्यूस करणार आहे for the next 30 seconds. Alright, let's go in 3, 2, and 1. Plank, downward dog, and upward dog. Keep going. After downward dog stretch, you're going to stretch the entire back leg. Each time you're in upward dog, you're going to stretch your core and your shoulders. 15 seconds up. Keep going. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And relax. Alright, आपला हा वॉर्मअप सिक्वेन्स संपला आहे. यानंतर आपला दुसरा भाग आहे स्टँडिंग अप सिक्वेन्स. यामध्ये since Surfset is a surf-inspired workout, we have a little bit of surf moves in it as well. So we're going to start with a jog on the beach for 30 seconds. That is spot jogging for 30 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Make sure you're getting your knees up. Keep breathing and keep smiling. 10 seconds up. Slowly keep increasing your pace. आपला हार्ट रेट वाढवणार. Pretend like you have your own surfboard in your hand. Let's go in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your surfboard, get your feet up and paddle for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yanantar, take your right leg up and come up into the surf stance. All right, we go back down. Paddle for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And getting your left leg up. तर हा आपला थोडासा सर्फ इन्स्पायर्ड मूव आहे. We're gonna do it 2 more times. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and up and rock that ball. तर हा आपला first exercise होता standing up sequence मध्ये. Alright, the next exercise we're gonna work on those legs. So we're just squatting, sitting down into the squat and coming back up for 30 seconds. Feel that pain in your thighs. Last 10 seconds to go. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So the next one is the normal lunges. So you're going to take your left leg in front and push the right leg behind. All right, so all we're going to do is we're going to just drop the right knee down and get it back on top. So 15 seconds on this side, and then we're going to switch. All right, let's go in 3, 2, and 1. यामध्ये आपण टार्गेट करता आपलं लेफ्ट हॅमस्ट्रिंग आणि राईट quads. We're going to take the other leg in front, get the left leg behind, and we're going to do the same with the left leg. This time आपला target आहे right hamstring and left quad. All right, after this, we're going to turn towards one side, parting those legs. All right, again we're going to sit into the squat, so I'm just going to show you what we're doing next. Apna right leg, we're going to take it to the left. We're going to take it back out, sit into the squat, and come back in. यामध्ये आपला target आहे inner thighs आणि आपला groin. Groin आणि inner thighs मध्ये आपला target आहे. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, our last exercise, we're going to move to the other side. So, आपला same exercise आहे. फक्त legs change झाले. आता left leg बाहेर घेऊन squat मध्ये बसून परत आत यायचं आहे. So again, you're going to make sure that the knees are not coming ahead of your toes, and you're sitting right back into the squat, feeling it in the inner thighs and your groin. Very well done. That's the end of our standing up sequence. हा आपला दुसरा भाग संपलेला आहे. यानंतर आपण जाऊया आपला कार्डिओ सिक्वेन्स मध्ये. कार्डिओ सिक्वेन्स मध्ये 5 एक्सरसाइज आहे, 30 सेकंड्स ईच. तर 30 सेकंड्स त्यानंतर तुम्हाला 5-10 सेकंड्सचा ब्रेक असणार, त्यानंतर सेकंड एक्सरसाइज. So let's start with the first exercise, which is something called the toe taps. So you're just tapping the board for 30 seconds, making sure your knees are getting high up. All right, so this is like the name suggests, the cardio sequence, working on burning all those calories and increasing the heart rate, increasing the stamina. All right. Keep tapping the board. As and when you get comfortable, slowly keep increasing your pace. 3, 2, and 1. आपला first exercise होता cardio sequence मध्ये. यानंतर second exercise आहे surf skaters. So all you got to do is you're going to take your right leg up, get the other leg up, move to the other side, and do the same. All right, slowly take the pace. Since the board is wobbly, it's constantly targeting the core. This is a sequence where you're burning all those calories. हा आपला दूसरा exercise संपलेला आहे. आता तीसरा exercise है the wave runners, which is also known as the traditional mountain climbers. So we're going to get on the board for the next exercise. We're getting your hands on the hand pads. We're in the plank position. You're going to kick your knee up towards the chest and back. Left knee up towards the chest and back. Keep breathing. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And rest in child's pose. Right, हा आपला child's pose आहे. हा आपण breathing साठी करतो. म्हणजे एक exercise कार्डिओचा 30 सेकंड संपल्यावर आपण breathe करण्यासाठी एक 5 to 10 सेकंड्सचा ब्रेक घेतो. तर यानंतर fourth exercise आहे आपला क्रॉस क्लाइंबर्स. यामध्ये आपण राईट नी लेफ्ट एल्बोला टच करतात आणि लेफ्ट नी राईट एल्बोला. Nice and slow at first, and slowly increase the pace. Last 10 seconds. Slowly increase the pace. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest in child. The last exercise is something called the spider climbers. परत आपण plank position मध्ये असणार. You're getting your right thigh towards your right elbow and back, left thigh towards your left elbow and back. यामध्ये आपण आपल्या कोरला टार्गेट करतात, आपल्या obliques वर pressure देऊन. We're also burning all those calories. Alright, हा संपला आहे आपला cardio sequence. यानंतर आपण जाऊया आपला core sequence वर. Core sequence is all about those abs, the six pack, having that flat tummy and burning off the. We burned all those calories. It's now time to shape those abs. So I'm going to show you the first exercise of the core sequence. There are 3 exercises. यामध्ये 3 exercise आहे core sequence मध्ये. तर हा पहिला exercise, we're in tabletop. So it's called the tabletop cross crunch. You're going to get your left arm off, right leg off. You're going to crunch your elbow to your knee. So the challenge in this exercise is to balance yourself on the other 2 limbs as well as crunch and work the 3, 2, and 1. Slowly moving to the other side, right arm off, left leg off, and let's crunch in 3, 2, and last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Our first exercise hota core sequence on the board. Your right arm is behind next to your waist, left arm is behind your head. You're going to pull yourself up, crunch your elbow to your knee, and go back down. So make sure you're crunching your elbow to your knee halfway and not going towards your legs or not going towards your head. So you're crunching your elbow to your knee exactly in the middle. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly you're going to switch to the other side. The left leg is on the board, left arm holding by the waist, right arm behind your head, and let's go in 3, 2, and 1. Keep crunching, keep breathing. We're working for that strong core, very important part of our body. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, how hota apla dusra exercise? Apla last exercise ahe 90-degree leg raises. So I'm just going to show you what the exercise is. So lying flat on the board, holding the board by the waist. You're going to take your right leg up and move it in a nice 90-degree angle and then switch. So in this exercise, you got to make sure that the knees are straight and you're trying and getting those 90-degree angles. Keep breathing. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright guys, that's the end of our core sequence. Ha apla chauथा भाग संपलेला आहे. यानंतर आपला last भाग है आपला flexibility and cool down. So there are a set of 6 stretches to end the routine. So we're going to start with the first stretch. It's something called the sprinter stretch. So let's get into the plank position. आपला लास्ट भाग मध्ये 6 stretches आहेत जो yoga based stretches आहेत. So यामध्ये first we're going to take your right leg up in front, drop the left leg down, take your arms up, breathe in. As you exhale, you're going to take your palms up to the ceiling. Once you're done, you're going to lift your left knee up, hold that stretch, and keep breathing, and hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly you're going to come back down and switch your legs. Take the right leg behind, left leg in front. यामध्ये आपला challenge है to balance yourself on the board. Alright, so slowly you're going to breathe in. Get those arms up. As you exhale, slowly you'll get the right knee off and hold it there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, slowly you're going to come up on the board. Left leg in the center. Focus on a steady point in front of you to get that balance, right? We're going to move into something called the flamingo stretch. यामध्ये आपला left leg board वर असणार and we're going to take the right leg off. Slowly breathe in, and as you breathe out, you're going to move forward, focusing on a steady point and holding it in flamingo stretch for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, after this, we're going to move into the rail walk. So we're parting our legs, alright? We're going to take those arms down, try and reach the rails of the board. यामध्ये आपण स्ट्रेच करतो आपला पाय, आपला मागचा भाग. You're going to go as low as possible, feeling the stretch in your hamstring and hold it there for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Alright, हा होता आपला third stretch. यानंतर आपला चौथा stretch आहे hip flexor stretch. So you're going to get your left leg near the nose of the board, get the right leg on the board. आता आपण वर बघूया and feel that contraction in your lower back and 1. Slowly you're going to switch to the other side. दूसरा पाय. The last stretch ahe, the full leg stretch. So you're going to get the left leg on the board. You're going to get the right leg off. You're going to take those arms off. Breathe in. As you breathe out, you're going to get your arms towards the toes. Keep going lower. Slowly get your head towards the knee. You're going to feel the stretch at the back of your knee. यामध्ये आपण स्ट्रेच करतो आपला obliques आणि आपला पाय, left leg. Alright, keep stretching. Hold it there for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Alright, आपला last stretch. Right leg board वर, left leg off. You're gonna get those arms off. Breathe in. As you breathe out, you're slowly gonna move towards your toes. Slowly try and get your forehead towards the knee. 2 and 1. Now holding the right leg with your right arm. Left arm over your head, breathe in. And as you breathe out, move towards the toes. Alright, ha sampla hai apla first routine, most balanced, basic balance routine, which we offer for the new clients who are new on the board. तर यामध्ये आपण आज शिकलो आहे की आपण या बोर्डवर आपण बॅलन्स कसं करायचा, त्यानंतर वर्कआउट कसं करायचा. So that's the end of our class for today. Thank you so much, Alisha, for joining me. And this is me, Sheldon, signing out. Thank you.
झी 24 तास रहा एक पाऊल पुढे.